watch a review or a tutorial and you're staring at someone's screen recording for about 28 minutes?
I now have an opportunity to do a software review.
Dehancer reached out and asked if I can do an honest review of their plugin. It allows you to emulate analog film look on digital footage. I'm up for the challenge, but there's 3 problems with it. I have never done a review before. I don't want to mess it up, and I don't want it to be boring. How do you even make a non-boring review? Reviews and tutorials are meant to show you how things work, preferably slow so you can follow. They will also put you to sleep, and this is something I need to be mindful of. Second thing, there is usually no story, which makes perfect sense because it's an educational form of video. I think that implementing a story into that type of video will make it less boring. It will be tricky, but I think I can do it. Third thing, if I want to make it work, I can't just randomly drop a review in the middle of a video. Introducing a review into a story needs to be motivated. The review has to be part of the story. I know it sounds complicated, but I think I have it all figured out. Now I just need to pull it off.
Yeah, they could literally come back in like 10 minutes, the hour, 2 hours, like it's, I don't know.
Come here.
They don't really fight.
Lily, come here. It's really wet there. Come on. Come over here. Come on, come here. Lily.
I don't like the way that cow's looking at us.
It started to rain. And the cows, they're running away.
Push 12 on, it's dry all day.
Our camera smashed against the ground.
The lens over here is cracked.
It was so windy, we were freezing all day, yet we're burnt. Ugh, that went terrible. We shot a video about the importance of documenting your pets and everything went wrong. The animals, they didn't want to cooperate with us and they kept running away. The weather sucked. It was raining, it was windy, but we also got sunburnt. And then the review, it did not match the video that we shot and it was way too long. So now I have no idea what I'm going to do.
So I was backing up the SD card onto the big drive, and guess what I found?
What?
Our anniversary film we shot last year.
I nearly forgot about that.
Yeah, we never done anything with it. So my idea is, why don't we finally put together a short film from that, and maybe we could like test a plugin with it, see if we can like bring up some like cool film look with it.
Well, seeing as you're so full of great ideas, why don't you do the review?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do it. Okay. I'm so excited to finally mess around with that footage. It's been collecting dust for ages and all my operations will be done inside Davinci Resolve. So this is an honest and non-boring review of the Dehancer Film Emulation Plugin.
Color, effects, apply Dehancer to this node. If your footage was shot in log, select your camera model here. If it was shot in standard color or on your phone, just go with the Rec 709. Here you can select any film stock you like. My favorite ones are this one, and this one. Vignette helps to draw in the focus to the middle of the frame. The expand tool allows to adjust the dark and bright areas of the image. Here you can literally develop your film look. I like adding a bit of color. This setting simulates optical printing, which is the final stage of analog production. Each print medium has its own adjustment sliders. Film breath and film damage will ruin your footage. The film compression allows to fine-tune redistribution of highlights. Here you can manipulate the color of the light and mess with the temperature of shadows, midtones and highlights. Halation adds glowing orangey halos around bright areas of the image. Bloom softens the highlights. Gate weave adds a gentle shake to the footage. I am not a fan of the overscan. It looks silly to me. This is my favorite part. Grain helps to take a bit of that digital edge off your footage. But for some reason, when the slider is here, grain is still present. I wish this value was equal to 0, and the custom grain options feel a bit overwhelming, so I think I'll just stick to the presets. That's it! Our film look is done. This is before the edit, and this is after. Before, after, before, after. Oh, and one more thing. There's also a Dehancer on iOS where you can edit photos and videos. Here are some handy presets. Every option seems to be fully customizable. It's pretty much the same tool as the desktop version, the film stock, developer, compression, grain, and so on. When you're done messing with the sliders, this button allows you to share your file or export it to your gallery. So here's before the edit, and after. So, this was Dehancer. We've been testing it for about 2 months now, and except like the little issue with the grain slider and the silly overscan filters, I think Dehancer was great. It was super easy to develop a pretty complex film look with messing only a couple of sliders. In Davinci Resolve, I would normally do a 20 note tree before I get like a good look. With Dehancer, few sliders, job done. I will certainly be using it in many future projects. I had a lot of fun.
And if you're purchasing a license of Dehancer, you can consider using our code karenmacdaid for 10% off, and then you can use it on all the Dehancer products except for the iOS app.
So, I think you'll really enjoy our short anniversary film that we graded with Dehancer. This whole video was graded with Dehancer, so I hope you enjoy.